Hello guys, welcome back. This is Plzzz and today we are going to discuss about C function. In this tutorial, you will be introduced to functions, both user-defined and standard library functions in C programming. Also, you will learn why functions are used in programming. So there is a definition of C function. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Suppose you need to create a program to create a circle and color it. You can create two functions to solve this problem. Create a circle function and create a function. So in these C functions, dividing a complex problem into smaller chunks as a smaller part makes our program easy to understand and reuse. So let's begin types of functions. There are two types of functions in C programming: standard library functions and user-defined functions. First, we understand what is standard library function. The standard library functions The standard library functions are built-in functions in C programming. These functions are defined in header files. For example, printf is a standard library function to send formatted output to the screen. The function is defined in the studio.h header file. Hence, to use the printf function, we need to include the studio.h header file using has include studio.h. Then become user-defined function. You can also create functions as per your need. Such functions created by the user are known as user-defined functions. So these types of functions are defined by users. So this is user-defined function. So how to create a user-defined function? So you see this has include studio.h and void main and then function name. Then curly braces, and then we give the statement int main, then give the statement and then function name, and then the execution of the C program begins from the main function.